We have introduced a new option for DPL tables in your PDF publications. Let's first have a look at how an IPC catalog in the PDF publication looked like before, without the new option per illustration DPL table. Here, a single cumulative table was located at the very end of the PDF document. When the document contained a lot of illustrations, the user had to scroll back and forth many times between illustration and DPL table. Now let's choose Yes for the new publishing option, per illustration DPL table. And publish it. As you can see, each illustration is now followed by the corresponding subset of the full DPL table. Please note that we have also changed the illustration size from full page to half page before applying this new option. So both the illustration and most of the DPL table are located on the same page. If you don't reduce the illustration size, a large part of the DPL table will probably be located on the next page. This new feature is available to generic IPC in RapidCatalog.